What's happening?
I ain't meaning to call you out here in the rain.
Man, you good, man. Gotta be done, bro. Somebody gotta do it.
Yeah.
All right, bro. Have a good one, man.
Oh, it's already.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
You're all good.
So, the reason why I'm here is because I ran out of gas and then I locked my keys in the car as I went. These gas cans are a little confusing. Oh, so all you do is push in?
Yeah, push it in
And push down?
and stick it in there. Ma'am? Oh, you been out here since 7 o'clock? Oh, wow. And they're just not sending somebody? Y'all doing?
So,
Okay.
we had to get a gas can.
No, we could have did all that. You could have called somebody to bring some gas in and lock the door. It's not coming out?
I don't.
Push it? Look.
Y'all is prepared, huh?
All right, man. Gotta be prepared, bro.
Man.
You run into all kind of stuff out here, man.
Yeah, that I'm glad y'all prepared though, cause
Oh, it wasn't gonna come out. See that top right there?
I've been wasting my time. I'm glad y'all came out. I'm not gonna lie.
Get inside, turn the ignition on. Don't start it yet, though. Just get inside and turn the ignition on. All right, try and start it now. You're welcome. Yeah.
You wanna go ahead and put this stuff in mine? And then I'll give you a little...
WHOS, who's roadside?
Alright, hold on.
WHOS roadside. This your cup right here?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I appreciate you a lot, man.
Ain't no problem at all, man. Yeah, I appreciate the follow, man.
You too. I got you. Appreciate that.
Alright. Look, I'm gonna give it to her because she the more responsible one. All good.
Thank you so much. I need that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one, all right?
Thank you.
Yeah.